Hello, great uni hackers. I'm Tom from Fuzzy Labs.
Who the hell are Fuzzy Labs?
So we're silver sponsors this year, alongside Bloomberg. We couldn't quite stretch to gold sponsorship this year. It's our first time. Similar to Bloomberg, they only made $10 billion last year, so you can see why they're trying to keep the costs down. So Fuzzy Labs, we're a small business. We are over the road from where you are on Oxford Road. There's only 3 of us. We've been going for 18 months. We're doing some really interesting things with AI and machine learning and hardware. And that's what this year's challenge is about. So we've been working on an R&D project that we started off calling AI for your feet. And then we rebranded it. We thought Wearable My Foot was a bit of a quirkier name. And this is the hardware. It's pretty straightforward. It's an Arduino Nano on a breadboard with a lithium-ion battery next to it. And what we do with this is we strap it to our shoes and we go for a run. And so the Arduino has an accelerometer and a gyroscope on board, and that allows us to measure some interesting things like cadence, speed, distance, and potentially something called running power. So the theme of this year's challenge from us to you is a virtual race. So the 3 of us at Fuzzy Labs, we've all taken our versions of this, and we've gone for a 2-minute run. And the challenge is to see who can run the furthest in 2 minutes. We're going to provide the data, and you're going to figure out who won the race, as well as some other interesting insights. And let's roll a clip of the 3 nerds going for a run. Let's have a look at this.
Given the data we've recorded for this challenge, your main goal is to find out who ran the furthest in 120 seconds and hence won the race. Our approach for such task is to first identify speed from acceleration at different points in time, which in turn can be used to generate distance or time graphs. We are using Jupyter Notebooks and SciPy. However, you are not limited to this and can use any tools of your choice. Bonus points if you can do it in something less appropriate, like COBOL, but that's only if you feel particularly adventurous.
Now there's a lot you could do with this data beyond the core challenges that we've laid out. For instance, you might try to visualize the race in real time and introduce some interesting graphics. Another thing to consider is whether you could build a website that enables people to submit their own data and compete with each other. Or if you want to be more ambitious, think about whether you can demonstrate a novel use case of accelerometer data in either healthcare or fitness applications. Although bear in mind that in this case, you might need to acquire or generate your own data. Regardless of what you do, I'm really looking forward to seeing what the teams come up with. And above all, I hope that this is an enjoyable challenge.